Hi, James again. As you'd expect, there's a little post-recording excerpt, because I clicked record on my thing, as you would do to record your thing, and the light came on, and it was all good, and I checked it continuously throughout the recording. In fact, I think there's one point where you can hear me do it, and I say that I've done it. But apparently it didn't record, and so I can't show you the video, because I don't have the video. And I would re-record it, but I already killed Sif on my other character. I mean, spoilers, but I killed Sif, but that should be in the title anyway. So, yeah, this is just me saying I'm sorry for all of the failcasts, because this is number 4 or 5, and it fucking sucks. But there's nothing I can do about it, really, until I get a better computer. So, yeah. I do hope that you enjoy listening to the audio, and I'm gonna try and put in a couple pictures, so if you don't know what they look like, then you don't have to Google search them yourself, just so it's a little bit more diverse than before. But yeah, this is gonna stop recording soon, so I guess I should probably shut up. I really hope you enjoyed the episode, and yeah, I'm just really sorry. Oh, and I hope you like the picture that my voice is over. Peace out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. We're here, at this big old gate. I ran through that bit, and you'll probably get to see that again, because I'm probably gonna die. But as I said, let us, face our friend, Sif, lest we not be able to accomplish this run. So you walk in, looking ominous as all hell. Just gonna shut my door. And you go around the edge. Look at that though. Ooh. Gonna keep going. See if I can get round the back before and get that item before the cutscene. I don't think I'll be able to, but oh no, I could. I don't know if you need to interact for the cutscene. I've done this fight once, and it tore my heart apart. Look at that sword. Beautiful. Sword of a giant. Or a giant wolf. Growls. And recognizes us. Because this is the same wolf that we saved back in Ulasil some centuries ago. Why is it that it still fights us then? Well, its previous master went insane and, you know, died due to the ring that we're trying to get. So it feels it is its duty to try and protect us from that. The way it can do so is by fighting. Isn't that sad? Hello! I really do not like doing this fight. It upsets me on a fundamental level. Like, lots of people feel bad about this fight, but holy hell, I feel like I have it worse. Partially due to, like, my love of all things wolf, but also due to the fact that Artorias is my favourite, like, knight of the four. A lot of people's favourite of the four knights is Artorias. For me, it goes Artorias, Ornstein, Go, and then Assassin Lady, because Assassin Lady is the one that we know the least about. Excuse me, Sif, if you don't want to kill me, I would appreciate that. If you don't mind stopping your attempt, that would be really swell. I realise I'm wearing your master's armour as well. I hope you don't take that as a sign of disrespect, it's a sign of respect. because he is an amazing, amazing fellow. Really thought that was a grab attack for a second then. Ah, fudge. Oh no. Oh dear. Ah, fudge. Half kill every time with that swipe. Fucking hell. Sif, you're meant to be my buddy, my pal. Old buddy, old pal, what you doing? Heal. Come on, self. Oh, the stagger. Try this. I'm sorry, Sif. I really am. Okay, I've got one heal left. I did a fair bit of killing on my way to this place. Look at all the swords of those who have died trying to reach the grave of Sir Knight Artorias, the Abyss Walker. Okay, gotta shake off that depression and move on. Hang on. Soul of Sif, the Great Grey Wolf, who guards the grave of Artorias the Abyss Walker. Special beings have special souls. Use the soul of Sif, who inherited the Divine Knight's sword, to acquire a huge amount of souls or to create a unique weapon. I'm not entirely sure what the unique weapon is. It's either the shield or the sword of Artorias. If it's the sword, that's why I got up intelligence last time, because it requires 20 intelligence to use, and I would like to just honour Artorias by using it a little bit. Even though it'll make the rest of the run harder because I'll be less efficient. Anyway, there are these mushroom people. Who I believe are the same species as Elizabeth from Ulasil. Not sure what they're doing, but the big ones tried to kill me. The little ones seem to be friendlier, well, more neutral. They don't help, but you know. And I feel kind of bad doing this because they just sort of run away. However, screw it. Also, this looks so cool. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, I'm out of emit forces. Looks like we'll do this the old-fashioned way then. Oh, you bastard. Backstab the mushroom. Okay. Oh, in that chest was a ember, like a magic one. And the other way to get to the old Siffy boy is through this bit, but as you can see, there's some evil cat-like creatures over there. Oh, also the mushrooms drop gold pine resin, sometimes. But yeah. I'm planning on avoiding the cat people because they're evil bastards and will murder me. And I've got 96,000 souls, so I'd rather not have the murdering occur, to be honest. But if you come down here to Laggy McLagerson town, and then you come this way, down here on your right is where you fight the Hydra. Isn't that something? Everything links up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Whee! Darkroot Basin. Then you run across here. Gonna fight some golems, me tinks. Swag walk because, you know, why not? In case you could hear the clicking, that was me trying to get a lock on this guy. Hi there. How you doing, buddy? Ooh, you brought your friend with you, did you? Ain't that just lovely? He can die and all. Sure no one will mind. No one at all. Very well, you're dead. Now then, what's up here, eh? There's more of you. Alright then. See how you'd fare, shall we? Shall we? I think we should. Oh, I missed. You're doing well. You're doing well. Oh, you're not doing so well anymore, are you? Oh no. Yeah! How do you fare against that one? Oh, you died. You died the death of no qualifications. You just died. That phrase is you should have been. You died the death of 1,000 qualifications, which comes from John Wisdom's thing on gods, which contains the parable of the gardener. Yeah. Anthony Flew used it in the university debate. Drop down. I'm so glad we'd killed the Black Knight of down here already. So very glad indeed. So, should we do a bit of levelling up, shall we? Get a bit more int. Level 108. We should, I believe, have the stats required to use Artorias' sword. Isn't that lovely? Should probably repair this stuff. So, done the thing that I said I was going to do. How long did it take? Not all that long. Suppose I should probably try and do something else then. What bosses are left? Oh, I know what we can do. We can go to New Londo. Go via the Sunlight Altar. No, not the Sunlight Altar. I am a buffoon. I meant Filing Shrine. Oh well. The run there will add up some time, won't it? Yes, it will. Trust me. So, how's everyone doing? I'm actually curious. I mean, a lot of the people who do the YouTubes probably do actually want to know. But if you comment, then the chances of them seeing your comment, unless they spend a long time trawling through every single comment, is probably not going to get read. But with me, considering I get like a cap of 6 views per video, chances are, if everyone who watches the video comments, I'll still be able to read them all. And reply. Heck, I could probably write long replies for each. Nice bit of catharsis for me. Why, how to do? Get backstabbed or not, that's fine too. That's cool. I ain't gonna fuss about it. No way. No sir, no how, no way. Alright. If you're gonna be like that, I'm gonna shoot you with lightning. You understand? Then, I'm gonna shoot your friends with just the Force in a bubble. Take that and die. Thank you. Thank you kindly. Yulia! Yulia! I'm bad at impressions, bro. Or broette, I suppose. Oh, it doesn't travel very far. Oh well. Slice! You, however, I'm gonna emit a force in your general direction. See? Told you. Yulia! 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 No, as I said, I'm bad at impressions. Dun. Oh, I only just noticed that's a wolf. On the back. In the middle. I would point at it, but I have nothing to point with. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. You know, instead of going to New Londo, we should probably fight the Nito boss, unless we've done that. I don't think we have on this guy. Meh. That's not necessary. What we can do is reinforce our flasks again now we're here. Thank you, goodbye. Then come down here. So what I've done in New Londo is I've opened the seal so it's not all as watery. It's about it. At least I believe I've done that. Can't say for sure because I've dotted about so many characters, so I didn't like lose anything too important whilst playing on this one, but I am kind of growing weary of Dark Souls as progress being so slow, so that's why I've been playing on this character off camera, so that it's not taking forever. Look at this guy. You die. Cool. Thinking he's so cool. There's this one. Is that a sorcery ember? Yeah, sure. I know, I'm wonderful. What you got then? Nothing. That's what you got. You got nothing. Yeah. Bye, bro. He can tell you basic sorceries. And do you some simple smithing. But I believe that's the only ember that he actually will accept from you. So what I did, as you can maybe tell if you've seen any of it before, is I lowered the water. So previously it was up to just about this little bridge, but now it's all the way down there. For example, that little structure down there, wouldn't have been able to walk on that, would have died in the water. Probably still can't walk on it. It's probably just something you can't get to, but you couldn't really see it before, and that's, you know, kind of the point. I should probably use a transient curse if I have one. Oh dear. I made a mistake coming over here, I think. I should have hotbarred a transient curse before, and can I use miracles to kill them? No. Okay. Suppose I should heal. Pop a transient curse. See, I don't want to do all of this thing just transient curse-ified. This is the area that I would like to use Artorias' cursed greatsword, if I can. But if it's the soul of Artorias you need for that, which I gave to Isguff, then I don't think that that's particularly likely to happen now, is it? Hey. Oh, nice neck. There. It's nice and spiny. Hello. You can die, if you please. And if you don't, then you can, you know, still die. Now then, I've come down here before, and I died last time I did. Hopefully, this time, I won't. I'll be slightly better prepared. Shield up. So, there are dark wraiths down here. There's also that thing. Now, I don't know what it is, but I tried killing that last time I was down here, and it didn't do me much good, because I had to run slightly from the dark wraith. Whoops. You guys are lethal. But so am I. Ah! Skulls! So you're a skull maker. Is that what you are? Nice face, bro. What do you drop? I'm assuming you drop something. No, you're just your average enemy. Okay, that's fine. Ooh, Titanite chunk. I did not know they dropped that. Is there anything over here? There's some stairs. Right, I'm not gonna explore the stairs yet. What I'm gonna do be careful. I noticed this dude's sword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and emit some force towards him. There we go. Nice shield. Oh, that was a fail parry. Just like full on fail. That was a full on miss. Something I am most happy about. And now you're full on dead. Sad times for Darkwraith. Ooh, there are some urns there. I'm thinking. Boom the urns. Oh, that did nothing. There's another Darkwraith there. Boom these urns. Nothing? Nothing. Okay. Okay. So the Darkwraith there. There's potentially more about. There's a door there. I'm not sure where it goes to. What's up the stairs? I'm assuming Ghosts of Doom. Oh, there's the drop. I was wondering how to get here when I was running about before. I think, unless it's a different drop. Don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna try and kill this guy, I suppose. Hello. You work with Darkstalker Calf, I assume? Nah, good trade. I think I came out on top there. Don't know what's down there. Is there anything about here? This looks like it's an illusion. But it's not. Is this one? No. What about you? Then it does leave me wondering why they were facing that direction. Unless it just means they want you to sneak up and just backstab the crap out of them. So what's down here then? Well, there's another Darkwraith there. They're not following me as of yet. Is there anywhere? That's probably just death. What about round here? Probably just more death. Would not surprise me. Oh, I've been down here, I guess. Oh, you sneaky beggar. You're a sneaksy hobbitses, aren't you? Now you're a dead hobbitses. Not that you're a hobbitses, but whatever. I suppose I shall go through the fog gate and seeth what happen. Earth. And all that jazz. And all that jazz. Sorry, I can't sing. Well, I can sing, but I don't think I can do it very well. Oh, that was nasty. I didn't think that they'd do that. Should have been slightly better prepared, but... Backstab! Nice, I actually managed to call it. Is this the way just down into the Valley of Drakes? I believe it is. This looks familiar. Yeah, it is. In that case, I don't actually know where to go to find the Four Kings. Because I figured that you'd have to come through here. And I didn't do that off camera. Because I thought that it would lead to the Four Kings and not just back here. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is pop one of my own wood bones, because I've got 21. Then I am gonna go see Andre back at the Undead Parish and see if I can get one of those swords up to a higher, one of the broken steel straight swords. Hang on, I've got to do some googling to see what is required for the cursed greatsword of Artorias, because hopefully I have the right soul. So, what do you need? Yeah, so you need Sif Soul, so I can do it. Dagger, greatsword, or straight sword, except the broken straight sword and straight sword hilt. So, a dagger, a greatsword, or a straight sword to +10. Bottomless box. Weapons. What do I have? Can't be a broken straight sword. Could get the greatsword up. Yeah, let's do that. Let's run and jump and run more. Yeah. Woo. Hello. Yes, please. No, I need to reinforce my greatsword. I'm gonna need to buy some Titanite shards. Let's get 8. Don't know if that's enough, but we will see. Greatsword's there, there. Okay, modify to +6. Yeah. Do I have enough large Titanite? No. To the giant blacksmith. Oi, where you off to? I can't hear him, and I haven't for a while, due to the fact I play on mute and I can't be bothered to plug my earphones in. So then I'll be able to hear. Right, Chamber of the Princess. I think it's about time that we kill the bitch, don't you? That's actually a good point. We need to go and see one of the firekeepers, because she worked for Gwendolyn. And so, as we killed him, she might want to hurt us, and I'm not sure. And if she does, then we can kill her, take her soul, and, yeah, get one of her mates that she's never met to forge it into a more powerful version of our flask. I wonder if she has anything to say. O chosen undead, I hath journeyed far. No? Okay. Boom. That didn't do anything. Okay, I need a bow. Composite bow. Where should I shoot her? I'm thinking the knee. That'll be about the knee, right? Ding, 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 ding. Don't have his voice play. Do not have his voice play because I killed him first. Excellent. So basically, she was an illusion created by the Dark Sun dude that we murdered the fuck out of a little while ago. So, I'm not sure if it still happens, but I believe there should be a couple of enemies about that would otherwise have not been, and these couple of foes should hang on. Yeah, cool. I was just making sure the video was still recording. Sorry about Monday, by the way. Yes, there are. These two. Look at them. Being silly. You silly sausages. Oh dear. These silly sausages have a bit more oomph than I remember. I remember just cleaving them apart last time I was around here. Hello. I have miracles. Do you have miracles? One down, one to go. Gonna heal up some more, then I'm gonna run, get him to attack, then throw some lightning towards him. At least that's the plan. Why is my aiming so fucking short range? I guess we're doing this the old-fashioned way. Shove a sword straight through him. The old-fashioned way. Now that that's done, they should never respawn, and there should be a lot less enemies around the place. If I remember correctly, that is anyway. So, now I can come up here, come over here. This is probably like a really convoluted method of getting there when I could just walk out the front gate and take a right through the little human gate as opposed to the big giant gate and then go see him that way. But oh well. This is the way I learned, this is the way I shall continue. Oh man, I've got really bad pins and needles on my right foot, so after we've made this greatsword, I'm going to have to call it. Plus this is probably getting quite long now. So, yeah. Doo-doo-doo. Forge I can, strong I am. Good for you, bro. Can I buy, I don't know, 8 of these? Ta, bro. We did it! Greatsword of Artorias. It doesn't say cursed, but it is Abyss Greatsword. I'm assuming... what's the difference? Regular thrust, regular. That one turns it into C's there. This one doesn't. This one has lower parameters, lower durability, but better damage reduction. Soul of Gwyn, Soul of Quailag, Soul of the Moonlake Butterfly, Soul of Sif. Could make it into the Great Shield of Artorias, but I won't. Okay, you guys ready for this? Right, we can't wield it effectively as is, but here we are. The Cursed Greatsword of Artorias. I realise it's a little bit smaller than when Sif used it, but it's still beautiful. And that is the weapon that we can use to wreck face when facing the Four Kings, hopefully. I just need to level up a few times. Oh, I did not realise there was one of these people here. I'm assuming the contraption will bring the ladder, the spirally thing. Oh no, this is the Firekeeper. So it was you, was it? How dare you produce a blade upon a deity? How did you ever get this far? Oh, you fool. Fool of a duke. The deity is a bast. In the worst way. I have nothing wrong with bastards, in fact I am one, but... Yes, but how? This man is a threat. Yeah, here I am. Master Gwendolyn is dead. Thank you for your soul. I appreciate that. Right. Here I stand, atop the world. Ruler of Anor Londo, I believe. Considering everything else is fucking dead. I think I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.